Good morning. Myself, Dr. Monali Gurude, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Vidya Bharati Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. I am here presenting a poster on a study on the effect of Sapodilla fruit tree dye with the selected moderns on wool fibers. As we all know that recently the dyes and the colors of natural origin are gaining the worldwide recognition as a substitute for the synthetic dyes in various fields. This is because of the increased environmental awareness in order to avoid some hazards of synthetic dyes. In the present study, Sapodilla fruit rinds were used as an experimental material. This is to find the dye source which would be available as a waste in bulk. Thus, the present study was a small step in utilizing the value of a Sapodilla fruit rind as a source of natural dye and to understand the process of dyeing during the wool fabric coloration using natural as well as synthetic moderns. Materials and methods. In the present study, Sapodilla fruit rinds were used as an experimental material, and the 7 by 7 centimeter cut piece of wool fibers were used as a substrate. The overall process of modernting the fabric was carried out through pre-modernting, post-modern, simultaneous modernting, and post-modernting, and it was done by using natural, that is aloe vera juice, and a synthetic, that is alum, as a moderns that were used either singly or in combinations in the proportion of 9 is to 1, 7 is to 3, and 5 is to 5 proportions. The rest of the methodology was employed by using the methods prescribed in the research paper Jyoti 2008. Results and discussion. The results reveal that the intensity of a color on the dyed sample was changed when it is subjected to the light, when it is subjected to the washing and the rubbing, and when it is exposed to the light. The table 1 showed that the color fastness of the dye applied on the wool fibers without moderns. They are the results of control. When the wool fabric was exposed to the light fastness and when it is subjected to the wash and rub fastness, it shows the color change which was rated as a 4. Then for light fastness the color change was rated as a 3, and for rough fastness it was rated as a 2, whereas for color staining it was rated as a 5. In table 2, the color fastness of the dyed fibers with the Sapodilla fruit trended dye using the selected moderns and the moderning methods, the result showed that when the wool fabric was subjected to the light wash and rough fastness, when it is moderated with the natural mordant, the aloe vera juice as a individual mordant, then it shows the 3, it shows that is very it shows the good results or the fairly good results. It is for the color change. Then for wash fastness it shows the 2 and 1, that was rated as a moderate and the poor results. But the same results were you can find with the photoplate one. Then when this aloe vera juice was used in combination with the alum, it was showed that this aloe wool fabric shows almost the same results in all the three conditions, that is pre-modernting, simultaneous modernting, and pre and post-modernting systems. In three proportions, that is 9 is to 1, 7 is to 3, and 5 is to 5, that is 4 and 3, that was rated as a very good and fairly good results. For the light fastness, for the wash fastness, or when this wool fabric was subjected to the wash fastness, it shows the fairly good to moderate results in all the three conditions and in 9 is to 1, 7 is to 3, and 5 is to 5 proportions. For the rough fastness, it shows the comparatively poor results, which was rated as a moderate to poor results in all the three conditions and in three proportions. Therefore, here uh, we can state that if the aloe vera juice, when it is used in combination with the alum, it shows the better results. Therefore, finally, we can conclude that the Sapodilla fruit tree has the dyeing potential as a source of dye for the wool fabric coloration. Thank you.